So a few days ago, I got an email from EA inviting me to go and play an exclusive early access version of FIFA 18, but I was not allowed to record it. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this right here is my invitation, because they said they were going to send one on the post. Come on, wait. Yes! Well, they called me Harry Shaw. Okay, that's not my name, but we'll take it. We have got a Right, now we have a hole in the bottle. Or just a bit of a squeeze, that'll do. Okay, now I need to grab the glue gun. And now we simply glue the bottle back together. Pew pew! Take that, EA! Now that's phase 1 complete, on to phase 2. So I have Today is the big day. I'm on my way to Guildford, which is where the EA studios are. I'm gonna try and get some footage of the building as I go in, but I've got to be sneaky because they said specifically no recording. I've got my my camera and my thing in here, which they shouldn't notice. My main priority is packing. Apologies for the quality. I'm recording on my iPhone because obviously I can't rock up there with a massive ass camera. It's a bit of a giveaway. Come on. Yes, we're in. Okay, so I'm in EA's disabled toilet, and now I've got to try and position my camera so it can see through. This might take a while. Do I just store like all of it to club? Lacazette. Zuma. I've got one pack left. Give me an icon, come on. What? Oi! Is that a walkout?